Vanakkam, welcome you all. Now we are going to solve the transportation problem and find the optimum solution by using modified distribution method. It is simply we can called as Modi method. So, so this is the problem. This problem taken from university question paper in the year April 19. Okay, so this is the transportation problem. So we have to find the optimum solution by using Modi method. Okay, so solution. So stage number, there are two stages. One is to find the basic solution by using VAM method. Step number 1, that is stage number 1, by using VAM method to find the basic solution. After that, we are going to find the optimum solution by using this Modi method. Okay, so stage number 1. Now we are going to find the basic solution by using VAM. So for doing this VAM, step number 1, select a particular cell. Select a particular cell by using penalty. After you selected your selected cell and find the selected cost value, particular selected cost value. Okay, so for selecting a particular cell, this penalty value is using. After that, to find the minimum cost value. Okay, so step number 1, that is table number 1. Okay, now take this table. So here how many rows? 3 rows. 1 2 3 4 columns. Okay, this is supply, this is demand. So values are 1 2 1 4 3 3 2 1 4 2 5 9 1 2 1 4 3 3 2 1 4 2 5 9. Demands are 20 40 30 and 10. A supply 30 30 and 40. So first of all, so before starting your problem, first you check the total of demand. It should be equal to the total of supply. What is the total of demand? 20 40 30 10 100. Then total of supply also 100. So we can move the procedure. Okay, if it is not equal, that type of transportation problem is called unbalanced transportation problem. Okay, so now we can. So what's the step number 1? Select a particular cell by using penalty. So penalty value should be find in each row and column. You have to find all the penalty value of each row and each column. So how to find the penalty? Now first row, penalty is nothing but pick a 2 minimum value. Pick a 2 minimum value. Here 1 is a minimum value, another minimum value is also 1, So there are two minimum values. Then find the difference of these two minimum values. So 1 minus 1 0. Okay, and also second row, minimum cost, that is minimum cost 1, second minimum 2, difference also 1. Now third row, minimum value 2, second minimum value 4, difference is 2. Now column wise, first column minimum value 1, second minimum value 3, difference is 2. Here minimum value 2, there are two 2's are there, there are two minimum values, so difference is 0. And also here minimum value 2, second minimum value 1, next minimum 2, difference is 1, minimum value 1, second minimum 4, difference is 3. Okay, now I find all the penalty values. So after that, select a particular base. Using this penalty, I am going to select a cell. Okay, how to select a cell? I found the penalties. Now pick a maximum penalty. Pick a maximum penalty. So 2013012, maximum penalty is 3. So this is your maximum value. In that maximum penalty, it belongs to fourth column. This belongs to fourth column. Now select this particular column. In this particular column, pick a minimum value. So this is your selected cell. If maximum value, suppose here 4 means this is a maximum value, so select this row. Okay, same way choose a maximum penalty value and pick that particular row or column. Okay, so this is a selected column. In the selected column, minimum value 1, so this is selected cell. So find a penalty value and pick a maximum penalty and choose this particular row or column, and that row or column pick a minimum cost is your selected cell. Okay, I select my particular cell. Now forget about your penalty. This penalty for only for to select a particular cell. So I selected my cell. Now I'm going to forget my penalty value. So this is table number 1. So penalty number 1. Okay. Now I selected my cell. Now from this cell, what is the supply value and demand value for this cell? Supply value 30, demand value 10. Okay, 30 and 10. Pick a minimum value. Here 10 is a minimum value when comparing to 30. So I am going to take this 10 inside. So here 0. I am taking 10 here. So balance is 20. Here I took all the values from here. So I am going to cancel this column. How I cancel this column? Because here there is no value. So I am cancelling. Okay. Same way we have to solve all the tables. Okay. Now table number 2. Now here fourth column is cancelled. So first row, second row, third row, first column, second column, third column. Okay, values are 1 to 1, 332 and 4 to 5, 4 to 5. Okay, and my demand 20, 40, 30. Demand 20, 40, 30. And supplies are 30, balance 20. Okay, so 30, 20, 40. 30, 20, 40. So this is my balance table. Okay. Now again find the penalty and pick a maximum penalty and choose a minimum value. Okay. So now second table shows penalty number 2. So maximum penalty means to find, first you find the penalty. Minimum value 1, next minimum value 3, difference is 2. There are two minimum values, so difference is 0. Minimum value 1, second minimum value 2, so difference is 1. Same way, row wise. There are two minimum values, so 0, 3 and 2, difference is 1. 4 and 2, difference is 2. Now here two maximum penalty values. Two maximum penalty values. You can choose any value. This 2 or this 2. No problem. Now I am going to choose this 2. Your convenience, you can choose any 2. Okay. Now I am going to choose this 2. So this is belongs to third row. In this third row, pick up minimum cost. So I selected my this cell. Okay. Now this is my selected cell. Now what is the supply and demand of the selected cell? 40 and 40. Both are equal value. So you can choose any one. Here also 0. Here also 0. You have to choose any 140. Don't take both 40s. You can choose any 140. I am going to choose this 40. So I am going to cancel this row. Don't cancel this column also, because you can choose any row or column, or you can cancel any row or column. I am going to cancel this row, so column is remaining. So don't cancel column. Okay. Now table number 3. First, second. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1. 3, 3, 2. Supply 30 and 20. Demand 20, 0, 30. Okay. Now again same procedure. Penalty number 3. Here also penalty number 3. Two values. So difference is 2, 1, 1. Here 2 minimum value 0, 3, 2, difference is 1. Okay. Pick a maximum penalty. This is my maximum penalty. In this maximum penalty is this penalty values belongs to first column. Okay, this penalty values belongs to first column. So this is my minimum cost is 1. So this is my selected cell. Now what is the supply value? 30. Demand value 20. So I am going to take the minimum value. So this 20 and put it here. This is 20. Balance is 10. I took all the values from here. So this column is cancelled. Okay. So balance table. Table number 4. 1, 2, 2 and 3. So 2, 1, 3, 2. Clear? Then supply and demand. Balance value 0 and 30, 10 and 20. Okay. Again penalty number 4. Difference is 1, 1, 1, 1. So all the penalty values are equal. You can choose the minimum cost. So here based on this one, you can choose any penalty. So I am going to choose this penalty. In this penalty, choose a minimum cost is 1. So I am going to choose this particular cell. In this cell, supply value 10, demand value 30, minimum value is 10. So I am going to take all the values from here. So balance is 20. This is cancelled. So table number 5, second row, second column, third column, values are 3 and 2. Here 0, here 20, and here also 20. Here supply, demand. So no way to find the penalty. So just listen. Here 0 and 20, here also 20. So I am going to select these two cells because there is no way to find a penalty. So I am going to take all the values from here and also all the values from here also 0, 0, 0. So this is your final stage. Now find the, now consolidate all the table. Going to consolidate all the table. 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Table number 1. Where is my allocation? Table number 1. My allocation is second row, fourth column. I am going to consolidate all the table. In my table number 1, my allocation is second row, fourth column. So second row, fourth column. What is my allocation value? That is 10. Okay. Second table, table number 2. Where is my allocation? Third row, second column. So third row, second column. What is my value? 40. Now table number 3. My allocation is first row, first column. So first row, first column. Here 20. And table number 4. My allocation is first row, third column. First row, third column. Value is 10. Last table. Second row, second column. Second row, second row, second column 0, and second row, third column is 20. So these are my final allocation. Okay. Now here first my first allocation 1 and 10. So this is the consolidated table. Now find the basic solution. Okay, how to find the basic solution? This cost value into the particular demand or supply value. So this is number of items, this is cost value. So 1 into 20 plus 1 into 10 plus 3 into 0 plus 2 into 20 plus 1 into 10 plus 2 into 40. So this is the final value. So this is the final value, that is basic solution. Now I found the basic solution, that is 160. This is my total transportation, minimum total transportation cost. So stage number 1 over. Now we are going to move the stage number 2 by using Modi method to find the optimum solution. We'll see on the next video. Thank you.